Hey there, in this video, I will show you how to fix swipe reply not working on Instagram. First of all, open up the settings. Then from the settings, click on General. After opening, click on iPhone Storage. Then click to open Instagram and tap on Offload App. Click on the Offload App option. Then open up the App Store and search here Instagram. From here, open Instagram. After opening Instagram, go into Profile from the bottom right corner. Then click on Menu from the top right corner and go into Settings. After that, click on Helps and tap on Report a Problem. Then click on Report a Problem without shaking. And tap on Include and Continue. Here you can describe the problem you're facing, then click to submit your feedback. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.